Hello guys, welcome again to another episode with Azima Properties, and my name is Ian. I'll let my colleagues introduce themselves.
My name is Max Miller and welcome.
My name is Maxwell.
I'm Sarah.
Today, we'll be talking about men's mental health awareness, and as we wrap up the month of awareness of men's mental health awareness.
Yes.
I believe at some point, well, maybe men wamekuwa na a good month ya kuongea, to speak themselves and to clear their minds. What do you think? Maybe have men spoken out themselves that month?
I think you guys can tell us. Have you spoken your minds out?
Tunaweza kwanza tusifocus na sisi.
No, we cannot be talking about mental health.
Well, on my end, I would say, I think I have. Yes, but not all of it. I have not had someone who has come to me and be like, it's all about the post. Mmetupostia sana mkatuambia it's good to speak up. It's okay to cry. But have you come physically to me to tell me it's okay to speak?
But you see, the intention matters a lot. How will I come? So like, you have to have that intention though.
Oh.
Hey.
Max. Umelialia kidogo hivi mwaka.
For me, actually, this month it was just like a normal month to me.
Thank you.
See, Mama, that because it is a mental awareness month, I have to be this and this. Actually, nilikuwa nachukulia the normal months because I have not seen anyone coming to me asking me, "Are you okay? Are you good?"
But apart from that, I would tend to ask, have you had time to evaluate, is my mental health okay? Have you had time to do that?
No, actually.
Well, we still got time, probably.
What's the month?
Yes.
And some people talk about mental health. Probably Ian can tell us what you understand by mental health.
Peace of mind.
Okay, let me ask this question. Do you sometimes get anxious?
Well, depends with the situation.
Do you sometimes get sad?
A lot.
Does that mean that your mental health is good or bad?
I think those are emotions. Well, I can say simply because I'm sad, my mental health is
in jeopardy.
Yes.
That's what I'm trying to say. Like, having a really good state of mind is being able to evaluate your emotions, accepting them, and having like a positive way to handle every situation that you're facing through. For example, if you're sad, you can be able to tell yourself, this and that is making me sad, and this is how I want to go about it positively. Some people are able to do that by themselves. Some people use their friends. Some people ignore things. And we are trying not to ignore this month. We can speak about it.
I think people are different because there are those people who might choose to just keep quiet, to just handle their situations by themselves. And those who normally, whenever they have an issue, they just go and speak out to someone and they can get help. But people are different. It depends on what kind of a person you are. But for my case, I just choose to be quiet and deal with my issues alone.
But I always feel like withdrawal is everything. Like, I've seen people. Ian, do you withdraw when you're facing a lot of challenges? Me, I always feel like it is normal for people to withdraw, then speak up another time.
People tend to forget that men are like, let's say, the core or a pillar in the society. A man cannot withdraw. It's very hard for a man to withdraw, despite the age. Even your little brother, you could find maybe they are in a position that they see this thing is done by men in this house. Acha tuache kucategorize maybe ama kusema genders, these and these do this, but it will be normal for a boy to tell themselves TV imeharibika kwetu ama area hai. By then acha tuseme enzi zenye area zilikuwa zinazungushwa. It would be normal for a boy yeye akienda kutengeneza something like a radio or a broken TV because simply they feel like they are obligated to doing that. And even if they fail, they will continue until they are like, I still feel like inaweza
So
tengenezeka.
you feel like men are obligated to be strong.
Very.
So that means they suppress whatever they're feeling and they keep going on.
Yes, and it's very hard for a man to.
But you see, that one will give you a burnout.
No, as a man, by day as a
And
man.
that is why I will never tell you what I am going through. You see?
Yes.
Simply because if I tell you that I have, honestly speaking, just imagine ukiambia mtu sijapata pesa ya sapa leo.
You just feel.
Imagine. So tufanye.
You just feel weak. As a man, I need.
Yeah.
As a man, you need to be strong. whatever
Okay,
the
I'm not
situation.
telling you guys like there are things we cannot talk about, but there are still things that we can talk about.
Of which, if we talk about, we feel like the entire society will judge us.
No, you're not supposed to feel like that, and that is why the mental health awareness is here. It is okay.
Which
to
will
speak
come and
about
pass
it.
by, and we get things back to normal.
No, it should be a lifetime thing. You should talk about it.
I think we have grilled them both, and I'd like to ask you, kwa sababu mwa-grill sana nikuulize. You are with your husband, amefika place ile ama boyfriend to tuseme, and then akafika, maybe he was working on something, a project or something, then akafika mwisho, probably he had a burnout, and he comes and opens up to you, utamsaidia?
By listening, of course I will listen. For example, one of the things you do to him, like you listen and you show him it is okay. It is okay to go through whatever you're going through. And you, if according to the situation, if you can be able to put an input, you help him. But first of all, you listen to him.
Okay. Because I think a lot of expectations have been put up on the men. Yes, it comes with the okay, I'll just say that evil. It comes with the gender roles that have been put out by society, not because of feminism or manini, but because they have been there and just comes out as a man is growing. I think that when we put up to expectations, mpaka wanna feel like they're not really allowed to break down. They're not really allowed to have a burnout. But I think it is okay for a man to have a burnout. Like afika man aseme, by that time leo nimeshindwa. It is still okay.
It is okay.
It's okay according to you, but the solution, the solution to me having the solution, I need that solution. You see, if I break down at the end of the day, I must make it, whether I like it or not.
Exactly. And
Let me ask
they
you,
say a problem half discussed is half solved.
If we discuss, it's half solved. It's not fully solved.
But would you rather not being it not solved at all or being it half solved?
I'd rather not tell you anything, let it equate. It's not solved at all by the
Why
way.
you say that?
Because I don't want to go things halfway by the way. I don't want to do things halfway.
Yeah, I'm not saying it is halfway. We will still find the solution, right? Two heads are better than one.
Okay. But let me tell you. But let me tell you one thing. At some point, well, I agree with you. But at some point, whether you like it or not, I must, as a man, you see that role that you're designated to do. You must, whether you like it or
Ian,
not.
I am not telling you not to do your roles. I'm telling you it is okay to say that I'm tired. It is okay to say that I need a break. It is okay to say that, well, this seems difficult, but I'll do it anyway. It is okay to accept.
We'll accept simply because it's men's mental health awareness. But at the end of the day, we believe that we must do whatever we are supposed to do.
I
We are
don't
allowed to
disagree
break
with
down.
that.
We are
No, it's like now you're trying to convince yourself. Yes, you're allowed to break down, you're allowed to say you're tired, you're allowed to take a break, you're allowed to talk to somebody. And doesn't mean like you talking to somebody can be Maxwell. You can talk to your fellow brother.
pia yako na mastaf zake anapitia.
Atamwambia bro, hiyo ni kawaida. I was on TikTok a few days ago and I came across a man mwenye alikuwa anasema, like he was asking the men if they have a female friend, not female friend vibaya, but ile female friend ya
vibaya.
best, kuna ile ya best, una understand, kuna ile best ambayo imepita mipaka na kuna ile best ambayo it is still within like the confines and those zinafaa within the boundaries set. Na kasema because there are times that you need to talk to someone, not for that person kuja sasa kwambia bro in mali amesha juu. You talk to a fellow brother atakwambia ya kata si kitu bora juzi. But sometimes when you talk to that female friend, could be your wife or just a female friend or just a colleague, anakwambia like atakusikiza, not because they want to give you a solution but because they want to listen to what is bothering you. Na kasema it is like, men, it is okay. It is okay. In the way probably you're not able to talk to your fellow man, so atakwambia ile ya hiyo tu kuna, you get. But when you talk to a lady, probably as a friend, like she'll be there to listen, not because she's supposed to give you maybe an advice, but at least she's there to listen.
And let's all agree that it's okay basi to talk to other people, but I'd rather do my own stuff.
Expectations that their family has of them pia in the contribute for them washindwe like you to speak out.
I think naturally, even without the expectation, men ought to be doers, right? Naturally, it's not a matter of expectation or filling their gaps or anything. And we're not trying to say that, we're not trying to overlook what they do for us, because men are heroes, alright? We're just saying it's life, and it gets to a point where you need a break, you need to breathe at least. Alright? You've been running, pause a little, and then continue the journey. That's what we're saying. That's what I'm saying. I understand. We know that men are doers. You don't have to work so hard for it. You have the grace. You already have the grace. You're able to do that already. You don't have to push yourself so hard.
Well, the conclusion is, fellow men outside there,
Now listen to his advice.
we can talk. If you want to talk to someone, you can do something that you feel is right.
Which one?
You feel that is right.
Which is?
Maybe probably doing the shit that you do, maybe to clear yourself or to clear your head. You know, at the end of the day, just go have fun with your fellow friends. Take that nyama choma wherever you are.
And talk to people.
Yes, na tununue shamba zita clear out our minds. Future investment. Yes. Remember we are giving shamba with a payment plan of up to 24 months. That is 2 years. unamaliza kulipa an installment maybe monthly, and within 2 years utakushamaliza kulipa
And with a booking of 100.
with only a booking of 100,000 Kenya shillings. You get to clear yourself. Na ukumbuke this men's mental health awareness month.
And money gives men good mental health.
Of course, that sabuni ya roho.
Sindio? Happiness unatafuta baadaye.
Bas later.
Perfect.
Mhm.
Okay.